All right, so we've got 3 AI tools we're going to look at today.
Conduit, Ranklytics, Hopper, HQ.
Okay.
And they all promise to make your business life easier.
Right.
Which, I mean, who doesn't love that?
It's amazing how many different things they're using AI for these days.
It really is. And first up, let's talk about Conduit.
Okay.
Their tagline is, get GPT-like answers for your business. So does that mean I can finally
Figure out what my sales data means.
Sure.
Without
getting a data science degree?
Yeah, that's exactly what they're going for.
Okay.
They want to make data analysis accessible to everyone.
I like that.
Even if you're not a technical person.
Makes sense.
You don't need to be a programmer to use this.
And they're doing that by integrating directly with Google Sheets.
Right.
Which seems smart because almost everyone uses Google Sheets.
Exactly. It's familiar.
Right.
It's easy to use.
Yeah.
And it's already part of the way people work.
So you're already
You're already there.
And you don't have to learn a whole new system.
Exactly.
So what?
It should make sense.
So how does Conduit work?
Well, they break it down into 4 steps.
Okay.
First, you import your data.
Makes sense.
Then you can visualize it with dashboards.
Ooh, dashboards.
Yeah. You can create charts and graphs
Nice.
to see the trends in your data.
I like it.
Then you can ask questions and get answers. So you can say things like,
why?
what were my top selling products last month?
Oh, that's...
Or how many new customers did I get this quarter?
And it just spits it out.
Yep.
That's amazing.
And then the last step is automation.
Automation.
That's the really cool
So
stuff.
you can
automate reports.
Exactly. So instead of spending hours each week pulling data
Right.
for your monthly sales report.
Yes.
I hate doing that.
Conduit can do it for you automatically.
No way.
It frees up your time.
That's amazing. I could actually...
Get other work done.
Exactly. You can focus on the important stuff.
Right. Like actually using the data.
Yes. Analyzing trends, identifying opportunities.
Instead of just
moving numbers around.
Exactly. You're working smarter, not harder.
Love it. I'm sold. Sign me up.
That's what Conduit is all about.
Efficiency. Okay, so we've covered Conduit, which is all about making data analysis easy.
Yep.
What's next?
Next up, let's talk about Ranklytics.
All right, Ranklytics, let's do it. Okay, so from data insights to content creation, next we're talking about Ranklytics.
They're all about AI-powered SEO.
Right.
And their big claim is rank on the first page 10x faster with AI-enabled SEO. 10 times faster, huh?
It's ambitious.
That's one way to put it.
But you have to remember, AI is a tool.
Right.
It's not magic.
Okay, so no magic button.
No magic button.
But maybe some helpful tools.
Exactly.
So what kind of tools are we talking about here?
Well, they have this thing called an AI content writer.
Okay.
And then there's the reverse engineer analysis, which sounds a little scary.
Reverse engineer analysis.
Yeah, but it's not as complicated as it sounds. Basically, it looks at what your competitors are doing.
Okay.
And it figures out why they're ranking so well.
Ah, so you can see what's working for them.
Exactly. And then you can use that information to improve your own website.
I like it. Spy on the competition.
In a way, yeah. But it's all above board, of course.
Of course. Of course. So it's like having a blueprint for SEO success.
That's a great way to put it.
And they also mentioned fully optimized blog posts.
Right.
So can AI actually write a whole blog post for me now?
Well, not exactly. It can get you pretty close, though.
Okay. How close?
Well, it can generate topic ideas.
Okay.
It can suggest relevant keywords.
Right.
And it can even write entire paragraphs.
Wow.
But it's still important to have a human editor.
So I can't just fire my content team just yet?
Not just yet.
Okay. Good to know. But it sounds like AI can definitely help me get a head start.
Absolutely. It takes care of the boring stuff.
Right, like keyword research and all that.
Exactly. So you can focus on the creative side of things.
The fun stuff.
Exactly. And that's what makes your content unique and engaging.
I like it. So Ranklytics can help me write better content faster.
And rank higher in search results.
Which means more people will actually see my content.
Exactly.
Music to my ears. Okay, so we've talked about data analysis with Conduit.
Right.
And AI-powered SEO with Ranklytics.
Yep.
What's next? Let's move on to something that I know a lot of people struggle with.
Social media. Yeah, social media. It's a love-hate thing, right?
Tell me about it.
So that brings us to our final tool, Hopper HQ.
Right.
They're all about making social media easier, especially for small businesses.
Yeah, they really get the challenges that small businesses face.
Right, like you're wearing a million hats.
Exactly. You don't have time to be a social media expert.
And you probably don't have the budget to hire one.
Exactly.
So that's where Hopper HQ comes in.
They want to be your one-stop shop for social media.
I like it.
Oh.
So what platforms do they support?
See, they do Instagram,
Okay.
TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube.
Wow, that's pretty much everything.
Pretty much, yeah.
Well, I can manage all my social media from one place.
That's the idea.
That would be a game changer.
It can save you a ton of time.
No more jumping between different apps.
Exactly.
And I saw they have some AI features too.
They do. They have a really cool caption generator.
Caption generator. Tell me more.
So you know how you spent all that time trying to come up with the perfect caption?
Oh, yeah.
Well, Hopper HQ's AI can actually write them for you.
No way. Are they any good?
They're surprisingly good.
Wow.
It analyzes your content and your audience,
Okay.
and it suggests captions that are tailored to each platform.
So I don't have to sound the same on every platform?
Exactly. You can adjust your tone and style for each audience.
That's awesome.
And they have this other cool feature called image upscaling.
Image upscaling, what's that?
So you know how sometimes you find the perfect image,
Yeah.
but it's low resolution?
Ugh. Yes. The worst.
Well, Hopper HQ can actually increase the resolution.
Really?
Yeah.
Without making it look blurry or pixelated.
Yep. It uses AI to intelligently upscale the image.
That's amazing. I'm always struggling with that.
It's a lifesaver.
It really is. And do they have any, testimonials from real businesses?
They do. Tons of them.
What are people saying?
People are loving it. They're saying it's saving them time,
Okay.
it's helping them grow their audience,
Nice.
and it's making social media fun again.
Fun again. That's a high bar.
I know, right? But it sounds like Hopper HQ is delivering on its promises.
Well, that's great to hear. So there you have it.
3 powerful tools.
Conduit, Ranklytics, and Hopper HQ.
Yep.
All powered by AI.
Yeah, that's right.
And all designed to make your business more efficient.
They really highlight how accessible this technology is becoming.
Exactly. You don't have to be a tech genius to use these tools.
Nope. Anyone can do it.
And that's what's so exciting about this.
AI is becoming more powerful,
Right.
but it's also becoming easier to use.
Absolutely.
So what do you think?
Are you ready to give AI a try?
I think it's time to embrace the future.
I agree. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
But I hope this has inspired you to explore the amazing world of AI.
Me too. There's so much potential here.
There really is. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.